Hello, today I'm going to show you the equipment I keep in my truck in case I get a flat tire on the road. Keep a 12-volt tire pump, diagonal cutters and pliers, pull out the foreign objects, nails, metal, anything that gets stuck in the tire. Got the tools to clean out the puncture hole and to put the plug back in. And I keep a pack of tire repair plugs. So this comes in very handy if you're out of town, down a back road, you need to get your tire fixed. This pump has the quick connect air hose. I had the screw-on air hose before. I like this one a lot better. It's quicker, more convenient. The other one, when you're screwing it on, air gets released. So I definitely like this. I had the same brand before, a slime pump. It ended up wearing out, so I got a new one with a quick release. I like this a lot better. This particular pump says it will inflate a tire in 4 minutes. I believe my other one was 8 minutes, so this one is actually quicker. I also like that. It also does have a light, LED light in the front, help you work at night. Has a digital readout for the tire pressure. These are some tools I recommend you carry in your truck. Might save the day. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, leave it in the comments below.